Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kai Woods. As y'all may have seen by the title, it's my birthday week. Oh my god, your girl is about to be 21. Bro, I can't believe it. I'm about to be 21, and as y'all seen by the title, gotta get ready, ain't it? Gotta get ready. Gotta get my hair done, nails done, lashes, everything done. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I still haven't picked up my dress. I gotta pick up my dress in the morning, so bro, I have to wake up so early so I could go pick up my dress because like it wasn't delivered to my house. So I prayed to God that my dress is still there because they didn't deliver it to my house. Well, technically they did, but they didn't leave it. Like, I don't know why, guys. I know y'all don't see a package in my hand. I'm so mad right now, but it's alright. I'm gonna get over it. So I'm gonna have to pick up my package tomorrow.
A few moments later.
Guys, so I just finally picked up my package since I was like all stressed out yesterday about like what I was gonna do for real. And then my hair, I have it in my bag. I'm gonna drop it off before I go to work, even though I might end up being late for work, but that's okay. And then tomorrow I have my nail appointment in the morning, and then after my nail appointment I have work. So wish me luck, and I hope this birthday I don't end up crying because bro, yeah. Guys, look who I'm with. Glad Kenzo in the spot. We just got off work right now, heading to the train station.
Go follow me, y'all. 5-star Kenzo.
Bro.
Wait, Kenzo with a 3, K3NZO. Damn, that sound is mad crazy. Yes, you
Boy, if you don't.
Is something 922?
I was gonna say, are you ready? No letters? Anything else?
Guys, I'm back. It's the next day. You know, I got my nails done yesterday. I'm about to go get ready so I can get my lashes done. My appointment is at 3 o'clock. I have no idea what time it is right now, but I'm gonna go get ready and then I'm gonna talk to you guys after. And don't mind the swollen eyes because like it wouldn't be a birthday if tears wasn't shed. So please, just like you didn't see me. Okay, so I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. This is just a simple outfit that I'm wearing right now. These jeans. I'm back. Sorry for the lighting, but I put my hair in a ponytail, you know, lashes done. I'm about to go and get my hair done literally right now because I don't want to be running late. And then after, I might hang out with my friend. So we'll see. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Bye bye.
Yes, we on the YouTube. Oh shit. Oh, wait. When I tag, I'm gonna make an Instagram tag for the suite. Tag this shit when you post your shit. I got you.
Guys, we're at the mall right now and I'm trying to get something for my little brother. That's Leslie. And I have no idea what I'm about to get this boy. Where do men go to shop? Where? Because I do not know. So, yeah, we're just gonna find something and Macy's?
What's that? I don't know.
Where the hell is Macy's at?
I don't know what it is.
Alright guys, so we're at H&M right now. They got some cute stuff. But then they over here talking about, oh, it gives London vibes. And then I was like, so that means that it's cute. Like, it gives off like little rich, little, no, because London, some parts, some parts. Yeah, Manhattan. Guys, let me pause this. Don't copyright me, I beg. But guys, I'm about to do my makeup by myself. I know y'all seen that I was gonna go get my makeup done, but I hate wasting people's time and I hate my time being wasted, and I was gonna be late regardless. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just cancel. It's okay. I'm gonna just leave it in the hand of God and do my makeup by myself. So y'all gonna help me. I don't know how y'all gonna help me, but y'all gonna help me beat my face, okay? Lord, please help me because I need it, because I don't know. Like, I have an idea of the look I'm going for, but I don't really know. So yeah, so we're just gonna do this. I like my eyebrows. Bro, I'm gonna just listen to some music and then y'all can just vibe out with me. Y'all not gonna hear the music though. No copyrights, please. But to everybody, like, before I even start, to everybody that said happy birthday to me, I really appreciate it. Like, y'all really, I love y'all. Y'all really have my heart, because like, I feel love. I feel love, and I really appreciate every single one of y'all that texted me, that called me and told me happy birthday. It's like, it's love. Like, to my parents, thank you for giving birth to me. To God, thank you for another year. Thank you for another life. More wealth, more health, more money, you know. So thank you to everybody. Thank you to my Lashe Tech, my nail tech, my hairstylist. Thank you. I really very much appreciate it. Like, and my best friends for showing out, my brother. Thank you guys. I love you guys, like, truly. Like, y'all gonna see this in the video, but I would never tell y'all all this in real life. So yeah, let's get this face beat. Okay. Ooh, not too much on my girl. Guys, I don't know how to contour my nose, so trust the process because that's what I'm doing. I'm filming a video right now. I'm filming a video right now.
You're filming a video now. Okay, alright.
Guys, we're at the restaurant right now. I'm with my bestie, Madame Jelina, and then I'm with my brother, and then the other guys stay over there. So, yeah, like the way I look. It's giving from sexy 21. I'm gonna show you the drink I'm gonna get and the food I'm gonna get. Stay tuned. So for the drink, I'm gonna get this. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. And then for the food, I'm getting.
Will you just give me an idea?
What?
To tell them what I'm getting.
And then I'm getting the baby lamb chops. It looks so good. And then I don't think I want any appetizers due to the fact that. Oh no, baby! I don't even know what this is. I don't know what I want.
I'm not gonna say that.
Bro.
Camera? Yes, I got it right there.
My people. My
I hope. Yeah. The bread is.
This is so good. The bread is a 10 out of 10.
Next side, next. Wait, bro. Listen, this one. He's leaving, bro.
Bro, I'm over here looking at this. Why did I turn so fast? Like, bro, I could have broken my neck. Anyways, I'm going back to editing.
Guys, my friends are trying to find me a man.
I'm about to kill the bad guy.
As I'm editing this video, I came to the conclusion I am no better than a man. Why am I talking about the girls? Bunda? Bro, I need to stop.
Guys, this is my food. I already started to fire in it. But it's so good. That's my drink. I don't know what Carol got. How's your food? Big ass burger. Nice.
Yeah,
My brother got a big old steak burger. Guys, we just finished eating and we're about to take some pictures now. Bro, this bathroom looks so nice. Let me show you the whole outfit though. Before I remove everything,
Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all the love on my birthday. Y'all made me feel so special. Thank you for the gifts, the flowers. Thank you. I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell down below. And don't forget to check out my Instagram. Bye, guys. Love you.